Hey everybody! It's come to my attention that some of my videos, in particular the feature of the videos that have the right and the wrong graphic, have come across as offensive and in fact detrimental to the anti-racist decolonization work being done in the scene today. The idea that there is a right or a wrong is seen as counter to the nature of Lindy Hop as a dance of individual expression and creativity, a dance that requires a lot of personal trial and error and exploration to achieve that individuality. I want to apologize for my part in the homogenization of this beautiful dance. It is not my intention to have anyone dance like me or to imply that I have all the answers. It's my intention to show you the ways that I've found that, in my opinion, make the dance easier and more connected to the music and to the original Savoy dancers that we all love and admire. And I apologize for missing that mark. In the future, I will try to teach in a way that shares my knowledge while better fostering creativity. And I may continue to miss the mark, but know that I will always try, and know that the ultimate goal is you dancing like you. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you.